You are stronger than you think. You are capable of so much more than you have ever imagined. No matter where you are right now, no matter what life has thrown at you, there is a power within you that can heal, transform, and create a future beyond your wildest dreams. What if you could heal yourself just by using your mind? Imagine that you picture yourself getting recovered from a mild cold or a headache just in your mind, and it happens in reality. Is it even possible or just a wild claim? Here's the truth. Not only it is possible, but it has already worked for this lady who has healed herself completely from breast cancer, or this author who has written a complete book over it, or this doctor who calls Silva Method as the most powerful tool he has to offer to his patients. Now, if you haven't heard about Silva Method, then you are missing big out, my friend. This man, Jose Silva, created Silva Method in the 1960s. It's a mind training program backed by 22 years of research and with a simple belief that living healthy without any imperfection or illness is our birthright. Over 10 million people, including celebrities, sports activists, healthcare professionals have taken this course and has excelled in their respective fields. Now the real question is, it may have worked for them, but will it work for you? To find out, join on the 2nd of March on our live healing challenge, where we will use the Silva Method techniques to bend our reality on healing. So click the link below, register now for free, and see your life getting transformed.